Hello everyone, welcome to Pediatrics by Dr. Anand. Today is a very important topic I want to discuss with you. I want to ask you something about hard work. We all do hard work, right? We all do amazing hard work. But the question is, how can we improve our hard work? How can you be more efficient in a single or a limited given amount of time? Okay, this is today a very wonderful exercise we will do. Okay, for example, hard work. If you talk about hard work, you worked very hard for an exam. So, one night prior, you studied the best and you read everything. Everything is retained in your mind. So, in this graph, I'm writing something known as retention. Okay, retention. It is a retention time graph. I'm explaining you something. You just listen to me, okay? So, one night prior to the exam, I crammed, learned everything. So at day one, at day one of life, when I'm giving my exam, okay, so this is the time graph, okay, time slot, day one, day two, day three, day four. So I studied the best last night, and I'm full. My mind is full with all the information and all the cramming or whatever knowledge I have. Okay, so on day one of exam, the day I am giving my exam, how much percentage do I remember on the day one? So we all know that, of course, I read it so much last night and I read so much. So at day one, my capacity to remember will be around 100%. Okay, just imagine. Okay, so day one perfectly I'm remembering everything. So but day one over, now as the day progresses, as the day will progress, what will happen to my performance? Naturally, whatever I was retaining 100%, that slowly over the days it will start getting gradually decline. Yes or no? It will start getting decline. So for example, if I had remembered 100% of at day 1, so day 4, day 5, day 6, naturally I remember only 20%, because as the time grows, naturally whatever I retained and that day, naturally it will start declining, right? So this is the one thought of example which I'm giving you. Okay, and this is applicable for everyone, you and me, everyone. At day 1 we remember the best, and day day 5th, day 7th, day 10th, naturally if you ask my knowledge again, it will be not that well, and it will be just 20%. So it is one thought process. Okay, now coming to the second thought. So now what is the second thought exactly is, again if I plot a graph, okay, again if I plot a beautiful graph of our retention time graph, but only one change I will do. Okay, this is our time, same, day 1, day 2, day 3, and this is our retention, how much do I retain, how much I'm able to retain, right? So as we all know, in the retention and in the day 1 I was remembering 100%. Okay, 100% I was remembering. So now this is something, now listen to me very carefully. Okay, now this is the time, okay, time graph, day 1, day 2, day 3. So now what change you have to do in your timetable is that at day 1, whatever you read, something which you remember 100%, so now what you have to do at around day 3 or day 4, you have to revise that topic again. So what will happen? See, as the day progresses, naturally my knowledge will fall down, right? But at day 4, if I revise again, then again what will happen? That topic will refresh in my mind, and again that whatever decline was happening of that remembering power, it will again push back to 100%. Yes or no? And again, as the day progresses, my knowledge is falling back again. But again, I did a thought process that at my day, what, at my day 6 I will again revise it. So again my memory power, retaining power, again it got increased. So are you able to understand, whenever my knowledge is declining, whenever my retaining power is declining, I'm revising the topic again and again. So what happened, what exactly happened? The threshold, the basic threshold, you see, I'm drawing a straight line like this one, the whole threshold. If you draw a straight line like this, wait, I'll just draw for you this straight line. So this is my threshold, I'm able to remember so much. Can you see that? So I am not even, whenever my knowledge is dipping to 80%, 70%, again I'm revising. So this is the best way, for you to cover any exam, to finish any difficult topic. The most important question every student asks me is, how will I retain better in exams? How will I be efficient? I don't able to remember, sir. whatever I study I keep forgetting, whatever I study I keep forgetting. Are you understanding? So this is what is very important. That is why, this is something known as long term memory. You will remember the topic in a much long term way, and this is what everyone wants. That's so this is my sincere request to all of you. Whenever you are, revise again as much as possible, revise again, and you will be really happy in life. At day 4 or day 7, whenever you feel you are dipping down, you are forgetting the topic, revise it. Give yourself 15 minutes or 20 minutes to revise the topic again, so that your knowledge becomes again 100%. So from day 1 to day 30th, always your knowledge was 100%. So this is this very simple thing, and it is very important, and of course that will make you very efficient in exam and very efficient in life. So this is something. What did we do in this video? We did hard work, but that hard work we somehow converted into smart work. Yes or no? We just converted that hard work into smart work by revising, and retaining. The more you revise, the more you retain. So no matter how many 18 subjects, 20 subjects you have to cover for your exams, give yourself time for revision. So, and why are we doing it? Because so you are revising at the time you start to forget. You are revising at the time when you start to forget, right? The time you're forgetting, again you're revising. So in the end, you actually never forget any topic. You're always on the top of your game. So this was a very small video of explaining hard work versus smart work. What is the difference, how did we do, and all that. So the moral of the story is nothing but work smarter, not longer. Okay, work, I'm writing for you. Work. How did you work in this video? You worked smartly instead of working longer. So don't work for long hours, work smartly. And 8 hours of revision finish to 6 hours to 5 hours. So work smartly basically. And that was all about this video, hard work versus smart work. And let me know if you really liked it, and thank you so much for watching the video. For more such updates, you can join my WhatsApp group or Telegram group on 9999897081. You can just put your name there, and I'll add you in the WhatsApp and Telegram groups. Thank you.